Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do a traditional sewing on myself. As you can see, I left out very minimal edges, but you can leave out more if you like. Also, notice how I did my braid down. I always do my cornrows going straight down and connecting them at the ends. But this time I did 2 small cornrows right beneath my leave out so that it blends well. So let's get started. So you're going to need thread, scissors, and like 5 to 10 needles. I like to thread a lot of needles before I start so that I don't have to stop in the middle and continuously thread needles because it slows up the process. To thread my needles, I put the string through the hoop, then pull the string as long as my arm can reach. Then I cut it, take both ends together and make 2 little knots, and then I cut off all the excess string. And I'll be installing my raw water wavy extensions in the inches 24, 26, and 28. I start by placing the extensions across my shoulder, and then I take my needle and put it through the end of the weft. Then I take my needle and put it through my cornrow and then pull it all the way through until it hits the knot. And you're just going to keep sewing across the nape of your hair until you get to the other side, through the weft and through the cornrow, and then pull it through. You do not have to keep making little teeny knots. This method is more than secure as long as your cornrows are not loose and you're pulling the string through so that it's secure but not too tight because your hair gonna be hurting. But them wefts won't go anywhere. My installs last for months, I promise you. Once you get to the other side, you're just gonna sew up a little bit just like in this video, and then you're gonna flip the track the opposite way and just begin sewing in the other direction. I'm going to continue to do this until I get to the front of my head. Make sure you're sewing your wefts close together, one directly above the last. So I'm finished with my first bundle, and now I'm about to start laying my second bundle. And I want you to notice how I'm laying this one starting at an angle going upward toward my face slightly. And this is how I'm going to continue to sew in my extensions in the front, slightly going upward toward my face. It's always kind of difficult showing you guys how I sew in my extensions. It's hard recording myself and getting good angles, but I'm hoping you guys could kind of get the hang of it by watching me do it. So I'm just going to let it play for a while, and hopefully you guys could catch on. Just remember, it's through the weft, then through the cornrow, and I tried to loop it through each cornrow twice. So now that I'm at the very top and I only have these 2 cornrows left, I'm going to sew a track under the cornrows and above the cornrows. And I want you to notice how I'm sewing my extensions in for these last 2 cornrows. I'm putting the needle through the weft, through the bottom of the cornrow, looping the string around the needle and then pulling it through. Pay attention closely to see how it's done. I'm going to do this until I get to the other side. now it's time to install my last track across the top of my cornrows. I'm going to be using the same method, just starting off putting the needle through the top of my cornrow. So I'm putting it through the weft, through the top of the cornrow, looping the string around the needle and pulling it through. This will have your weft laying flat and neat, and it ensures that it stays in place. So I'm finally finished on my extensions, and now it's time to style it. First, I always have to add a few layers in the front of my hair to frame my face, and then I'm going to lay my leave out. So I added a little heat protecting serum to my leave out, and then I used my hot comb and ran it through. Then lay my edges, of course. Next, I took some Cheese Silk Infusion heat protecting serum and I applied it to all of my hair before styling with my hot tools. And I really want to keep this wavy look, but I wanted it a little more wavy, so I'm just going to use the crimp iron throughout my whole head. So this is the finished product, and it came out super full and fluffy just like I wanted it. And it's the summertime now, so curly and wavy textures are perfect for the heat. So this is the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.